Mabuhay! While I was out getting my groceries, BuzzFeed Philippines posted this: 36 of the most beautiful words in the Philippine language. But like...
What? What are you talking about? What Philippine language?
Now I'm not saying that these 36 words are not beautiful at all. In fact, I'm here to share to you 5 things that you probably did not know about the Philippine language.
Whatever that is.
First of all, at number 1, there is no such thing as the Philippine language. No such thing. In fact, at number 2, there are about 100 to almost 200 indigenous languages in the Philippines, depending on the classification method you follow. But yeah, at least 100 indigenous languages. Not just Tagalog, but also Kapampangan, Cebuano, Ilocano, Bicolano, Pangasinan, Waray, Bajau, Maranao, Tausug, Dumagat, Ibanags, and many more. And at number 3, these are languages of their own right. They are not just mere dialect, as what has been taught to us for generations dating back through the colonial miseducation of the Philippines. Now at number 4, constitutionally, there is something called the Filipino language. And along with English, it is currently one of the official languages of the country. However, many experts would say that this Filipino language is nothing but a glamorized dialect of the Tagalog spoken in the capital Manila. And some renowned linguistic experts would argue that this language is nothing but an invented language. Now whether you agree or not, at number 5, the Philippines is a diverse country made up of many ethnicities and linguistic groups. It is an archipelago of diverse and colorful indigenous identities. Identities that do not necessarily conform to what is generally known as being Filipino. So when you talk about the Philippines, please do not think of it as this one monolithic homogeneous nation state, because it's not. And by doing so, you're just ignoring the fact that this country we now call the Philippines is a diverse one. And if you do not recognize these diverse indigenous identities, well, we're just ignoring the true beauty of the country, the true beauty of the Philippines. And that is not just problematic, it is also an injustice to the people we call our own, to our own people. Just think about it. So if you want to learn more about the languages in the Philippines, check out the video description below for some useful links. And if you are interested and in the UC Davis area, we are going to be hosting a series of workshops and lectures aimed at demystifying Southeast Asia in the coming weeks. And we will keep you posted with more details on Facebook, Tumblr, Twitter, and even on Instagram. So yeah, that's it for today. And until next time, bye!